Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to back Learn and Grow with Ali. This is our day 9, lecture 9, our full course Python in 2025. So in this lecture we will learn assignment operators in Python. I will explain everything about that, what is assignment operators and how this work. Actually with the real life example I will explain everything about this. So let's get started on the video. So first I will make the file for this. uh, Open the folder, select folder python.py. After then I will make the file for my code main.py. This is the our file for Python code. So let's get started. First, introduction to assignment operators in Python. What is assignment operators in Python? Assignment operators are used to store values inside variables and also to update those values, and they make our code short, simple and clear. If you use the assignment operator, they make your code simple, easy to understand and clear. The basic assignment operator is this. The basics assignment operator is, but Python also has compound assignment operator, like for example like this and this, and on the other side this one, etc. So basics assignment operators, this is used to assign a value to a variables. For example, x is equal to 10, name is equal to Ali. So this is used to assign a value to a variables. Compound assignment operators, these operators perform an operation and update the value in the same line. So now I'm talking about the addition assignment, adds value to the variables. For example, I will show you example. X is equal to 10, x plus is equal to 5, and if I print x, so same as x is equal to x plus 5, so answer is 15. So this is the addition assignment. Now I'm talking about the subtraction assignment. Subtract a value from the variables. For example, x is equal to 20 and x minus is equal to 3. If I print x, so the answer is 17. So this is our subtraction assignment. I'm talking about the multiplication assignment. For example, multiplication assignment, x is equal to 4, x multiplication is equal to 3, and if I print x, so the answer is 12. So this is our multiplication assignment. Now I'm talking about the division assignment. X is equal to 20, x is equal to multiplication is equal to 4, and if I print x, so the answer is 5.0. so this is your division assignment. Now I'm talking about the floor division assignment. What is floor division assignment? In this lecture we will learn everything with the simple examples, because my purpose is everyone easily understand this lecture, so that's why we will learn easily with easy examples. And if I print x, so the answer is 4. This is the floor division assignment. Now I'm talking about the Modulus assignment. Just wait, I will show you examples on your screen. You can see easily is equal to 15, x Modulus is equal to 4, and print x, so this your answer is 3. So this is your Modulus assignment. Now I'm talking about the exponent assignment. Now I'm talking about the exponenting assignment. X is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3, and if I print x, then answer is 8. This is the exponenting assignment. So why use assignment operators? They make code shorter, they make code clear, because if you use assignment you can run your code, read your code, easy to understand. They avoid rewriting variables names again and again. For example, without assignment operator is like this, x is equal to x plus 10. So this is your without assignment operator code like this. After with assignment operator your code like x like this. This is a short, clear and simple, easy to understand if you use the assignment operator. So now I'm telling you simple real life example with the long code. You can understand easily this lecture. So balance is equal to 1000 and balance is equal to 200. Balance multiplication is equal to is 200 200 and 100. After then balance. So if I print plus, so this is the real life example. So this is our assignment operators in Python lecture. Thank you for watching. This was a short and clear lecture on assignment operators in Python. In the next video, we will learn the next topic about the operators in Python. So make sure like and subscribe to the Learn and Grow with Ali. Keep learning, keep growing. Allah Hafiz.